Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to hide the formula bar in Microsoft Excel to save screen space and get a clean interface. This instantly clears out that long white data row stretching across the top of your layout, expanding your vertical workspace view so you can see more spreadsheet data columns at once. First, open your spreadsheet grid layout inside Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. Look at the main navigation toolbar running across the top of your interface and click on the View tab. Move your eyes to the center left section of the Options ribbon menu and locate the Show command block. Find the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Formula Bar. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and watch the long equation input line collapse instantly out of your workspace view. Whenever you need to edit a cell formula while the bar is hidden, simply double-click any cell layout or press the F2 key to make your text strings active right inside the grid box. To bring the top bar tracking line back at any time, just navigate right back to your View tab and place a fresh checkmark back inside the Formula Bar checkbox. And that's it. Your clean, high-density data visualization grid workspace configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.